Creating job descriptions and standard operating procedures in a company can be likened to constructing a fence and key that safeguard privacy and security. Just as the primary purpose of a fence is to provide boundaries and security, the role of job descriptions and standard operating procedures in the corporate context is to delineate roles and establish rules. Job descriptions act as the fence, outlining the division of tasks and responsibilities for each individual within the organization. With clear job descriptions, every team member understands their boundaries and roles, preventing privacy breaches or task overlap. This is similar to the function of a fence that sets limits for outsiders to avoid violating the residents' privacy. Meanwhile, standard operating procedures function as the key, governing the procedures and steps to be followed in executing a process or task. With well-structured standard operating procedures, a company can maintain operational security and prevent errors or violations. Analogously, these standard operating procedures are like a door key that, if not used correctly, can jeopardize the company's security, much like leaving the front door without a key. If someone in the company feels uncomfortable or guilty about establishing job descriptions or standard operating procedures, it is equivalent to opening the company's door without a fence and key. This discomfort can pose risks to privacy, security, and the overall performance of the company. In this context, those who breach boundaries are not the sole culprits. Those who scare to set limits also share responsibility. By not establishing clear boundaries and procedures, they are accountable for potential risks and insecurity within the company. Similar to protecting home privacy, setting boundaries is an actual measure to safeguard not only oneself but the entire household. Boldly establishing job descriptions and standard operating procedures is not a trivial matter. By courageously taking decisive actions, a company is actually safeguarding the integrity, security, and optimal performance of each individual within it.